Alright? And get both of them.
Am I recording it? Yes, I am. This is the Capri Sun Challenge. We got the Gator Dakota. And we got the Swag Gay.
Yes,
over here.
Swag.
We got the 15 Capri Suns. Hey, quit cheating. Quit cheating. Don't mess with it.
Yeah, that's cheating. That's a DQ.
Shut up. Y'all got 15 minutes, but you have to do it as fast as you can. Gotta use the same straw that comes with the package.
We'll go first.
Okay? Y'all ready?
15 minutes.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
You mark, set, go. Let's get this one more, Coda.
Dude, this is really sucks.
Yeah, 15 minutes to drink all of this. It's okay.
You want to do it as fast as you can, Coda. Don't be a girl.
Where are the leftovers?
Over there. Already? That's a waste.
Oh, God.
That shit can be considered as a DQ. Cause you spit it up.
I just split it up our life.
Yeah, you spit it up.
Where's Mr. Drink an extra one? It'll be 16 and 13 minutes. That's good.
Shit won't go in.
Where you going, Coda? Probably 1 minute.
You ain't getting nothing done going that slow, Mikey.
You and Coda?
And Coda, man, Coda, you got how many down? 1?
2.
Can I do like 2 at a time?
Nope.
It's not bad. I mean, 1 for every minute is all you need.
You want to do it as fast as you can.
Yeah, as long as you get it done.
That's the girl way to do it.
Go buy another box and see if you can do it.
I can. They won't finish them. I know they won't. Coda will quit.
Mike is a third of the way down. You getting full yet?
But you gotta be good at sucking stuff.
You full yet?
Who's full? Who's getting full?
That's what I needed. Dude, ain't getting out. I'm getting it now.
Should have done them warm. Harder than Mike?
Dang, dude. This is gonna suck.
Is it getting harder?
Yeah. That's nasty. I'm still gonna do it. Damn, I'm about to give up.
You're almost half, you're like halfway done, dude. Don't give up. You got 15 minutes.
Coda's already getting killed right now.
You can't do it, huh? You got 15 minutes. Do you ever need to sit down and wait?
Ah, that's stupid. That shouldn't be 15
Really, 2
minutes.
minutes.
It shouldn't be 15 minutes, though. It should be like 10 or 8.
No, because if you do it 1 minute,
You
it'll
too? I won't go too, I puke.
Ah, he's done. Coda's out. Coda's out. Oh, it stings. You're out. Coda's done. He's out. The Gator's out. How much you have? You have 7 more. Come on, 7 more. 7 more. Come on.
You alright there? Just wait, dude. Your brother have 4 minutes.
Faster the better. Try to beat 7 minutes. That's how much that big guy did.
Yeah, but he's way older and fatter. I already
I want to
said
see him puke.
that. No, I want to see him do it.
We gotta pee. Can I take a pee and do it?
No.
Why not?
Coda, that's disgusting. That stinks.
I want to throw it no more.
Man, you don't even pull it.
Mikey!
I'm doing it. Dude, my stomach is so good.
There you go, you failure.
I can't see.
Smile at the camera. You puked to failure. Lucky! Trash can! Trash can! Trash can! It comes up, you lose.
Am I good?
No, I don't know. You gonna throw up?
No, I didn't.
You didn't throw up. You almost did. Don't spit up. You spit up, you lose. Trash can.
Yeah, trash can, man.
Smell that throw up.
Dude, stop.
Don't spit it up. You lose if you spit it up.
Just wait.
Oh, that's it. That's it. That's it.